to make an alien, so let me show you what you will need. So you need to make a template of an alien. Now I've made quite a big one here, but you could do a tiny little one and make it into a bookmark. You could make one and get a magnet and put it on the fridge. All sorts of choices for you. So maybe you would want to use a piece of scrap paper to begin with to draw out your shape until you get what you want, okay? So this is my template, and then I transferred it on to a piece of card and have cut it out. Now you could also use, if you've got foam sheets, you could use that. That would work well for this craft as well, okay? Now what I'm going to do now is I've got a selection of bits from my craft box. I've got some feathers, some pipe cleaners, some foam shapes, some googly eyes, some crepe paper. And what I'm going to do now is decorate up my alien and come back to show you what I've done. But of course everybody's is going to be different. So here's what I've done. I started and I put feathers on the alien's body, and then I've put some foam shapes on the top of that. I've put little bits of scrunched up crepe paper on the legs. I wound up a couple of pipe cleaners to put on the alien's feet. It's a very loving alien, this one, so I've given it some love hearts up its arm. And drew on the mouth, put on some googly eyes and another wee couple of foam shapes up here. Cut up a wee bit feather to put some onto the face. Okay, that's just some ideas. You could even just colour it in and draw things on if that's what you want to do. See what's in your craft kit. Get your pens and see what you can do. Hope you have fun doing it, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.